Hello, cherished viewers. If you're navigating the waves of menopause, grappling with its myriad effects on your emotional, physical, and overall well being, welcome back to our supportive YouTube channel. Today, we're uncovering the top 5 foods to restore hormonal balance and burn fat during menopause. But wait, not only that, we're also going to deep dive into the root causes of your concerns. So keep on watching until the end because we've got some game-changing wellness tips that could become your next big ally in improving your life around menopause. First, let's kick off by talking about hormonal balance or imbalance during menopause. Menopause marks the end of a woman's reproductive years and is a natural biological process. It usually occurs between the ages of 45 and 55, with the average being around 51 years old. During this time, the body experiences changes in estrogen and progesterone levels, leading to hormonal imbalances. But fear not. Your diet can play a significant role in restoring hormonal balance and managing menopause symptoms. Incorporating the right kinds of food into your diet can play a huge role in overcoming the hormonal roller coaster of menopause, which we will get into in a few minutes. What is estrogen? And why is it important for women's health? Estrogen is a special hormone. It orchestrates several of your bodily functions. It's not just about regulating your menstrual cycle. It's also really important in maintaining other systems in your body, ensuring your body remains strong and resilient against the test of time. But here's where the plot thickens. As we age and transition through menopause, our bodies undergo a significant change. Our estrogen levels naturally start to wane. This natural decline is more than just a shift in hormonal balance. It's the beginning of a series of changes that can affect us greatly. The decrease in estrogen doesn't just leave its mark on our body in unseen ways. It has tangible effects, most notably weight gain. This isn't just about aesthetics. It's a complex process involving changes in metabolism and body composition that can have far-reaching health implications. And that's not all. This hormonal shift can also contribute to insulin resistance. This makes it increasingly challenging for our bodies to regulate blood sugar levels, adding another layer of complexity to managing our overall health. Understanding the intricate dance of hormones like estrogen is more than an academic exercise. It's a crucial piece of the puzzle in managing our health as we age. By recognizing these changes, we can better prepare and adjust our lifestyle, ensuring we remain healthy, vibrant, and full of life, even as we navigate the complexities of hormonal changes. Understanding hormonal imbalance. Hormonal imbalances can manifest in diverse and often nuanced ways, subtly signaling their presence through a variety of body and mood changes. These imbalances can introduce a range of common signs and symptoms that significantly impact daily life. Among these are hot flashes and night sweats, which can disrupt sleep and comfort, mood swings that challenge emotional stability, memory difficulties that affect cognitive function, weight gain that may lead to low self-esteem, and changes in libido, affecting relationships and personal well-being. Moreover, the implications of hormonal imbalances extend far beyond immediate discomfort. They can notably increase the risk of developing chronic diseases, such as osteoporosis, which weakens bones and makes them more susceptible to fractures, and heart disease, a leading cause of death worldwide. This makes understanding and addressing hormonal imbalances not just a matter of alleviating current symptoms, but also a crucial step in preventing serious health complications in the future. If you're experiencing any of the symptoms mentioned or any other unusual changes in your body or mood, it could be indicative of a hormonal imbalance. Which of these symptoms are you currently battling? How have they affected your day-to-day life? Your experience and insights are valuable to us, and we encourage you to share them in the comment box below. It's important to note that the causes of hormonal imbalances are varied and can extend well beyond menopause, although menopause remains a significant factor for many women. Other contributing factors can include stress, which can wreak havoc on your body's hormone levels, thyroid disorders such as underactive or overactive thyroid, directly affecting metabolism and insulin resistance, which is closely linked to diabetes and metabolic syndrome. Additionally, lifestyle choices and environmental factors play a substantial role in hormonal health, with diet, exercise, sleep quality, and exposure to endocrine-disrupting chemicals being key elements. Understanding these causes and recognizing the signs of hormonal imbalances are the first steps towards addressing them. Whether through lifestyle adjustments, medical treatment, or both, it's possible to manage these symptoms and reduce the risk of related diseases. Exploring the role of diet in restoring hormonal balance during menopause. Menopause is a significant phase in a woman's life, marked by a series of changes that can impact her physically and emotionally. One of the key challenges during this transition is managing hormonal imbalances, which can affect everything from mood to metabolism. Fortunately, diet plays a pivotal role in navigating these changes more smoothly. Incorporating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins is not just about nutrition. It's about giving your body the support it needs during menopause. These foods are a powerhouse source of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, offering a natural way to combat the adverse effects of hormonal shifts. But it's not just about what to eat. It's also about the joy and satisfaction that comes from nurturing your body. Experimenting with new recipes, enjoying seasonal produce, and sharing meals with loved ones can transform eating into an engaging, joyful experience. This holistic approach not only aids in restoring hormonal balance, but also promotes overall well-being, ensuring that the journey through menopause is not just bearable, but also enriching. Embrace this transition as an opportunity to prioritize your health and well-being, and let your diet be a cornerstone of your menopause management strategy. Now, on to the promising aspect in managing menopausal symptoms. Here are the top 5 foods to restore hormone balance and burn fat for menopausal women, each selected for their unique benefits and how you can easily incorporate them into your daily diet. The first on our list are flax seeds. These tiny but mighty seeds are a powerhouse of phytoestrogens, particularly rich in lignans. Flaxseed closely mimics the hormone estrogen in the body, providing a natural way to stabilize hormonal fluctuations that occur during menopause. Besides their hormonal benefits, flax seeds are also loaded with fiber, which plays a critical role in weight management by keeping you satiated for longer periods. This can be incredibly beneficial during menopause, a time when many women struggle with weight gain. Integrating flax seeds into your diet is remarkably easy. Try sprinkling ground flax seeds over your morning cereal, blending them into your smoothies, or adding them to yogurt for a nutritious boost. Next on the list is soy. Soy products are another excellent source of phytoestrogens, specifically isoflavones. These natural compounds can significantly alleviate hot flashes and other menopausal symptoms by serving as a weak form of estrogen in the body. Soybeans, tofu, tempeh, and soy milk are all fantastic ways to introduce these benefits to your diet. Third, we have garlic. This common kitchen ingredient does more than just elevate the flavor of your dishes. Garlic contains a powerful compound called allicin, known for its ability to regulate hormone levels and support estrogen production, which can be particularly helpful during menopause. To reap the benefits of garlic, you can add it to virtually any dish, from sauces and soups to marinades. Alternatively, create a delicious garlic-infused olive oil that can be used for cooking or as a salad dressing. Another incredible estrogen-boosting food group is legumes. This category includes beans, lentils, and chickpeas, which are not only rich in fiber but also phytoestrogens. Legumes can be a fantastic addition to a menopausal diet, offering benefits similar to flaxseed and soy. They're versatile in the kitchen and can be easily incorporated into salads, stews, and curries for a nutritious boost. One common issue during menopause is having trouble falling asleep. Eating nuts has been shown to help people fall asleep faster and wake up less frequently at night. The best options are pistachios, Brazil nuts, and almonds, since they include higher concentrations of melatonin, magnesium, and selenium, nutrients that help you get a good night's sleep. Nuts, when consumed as part of a healthy diet, have been proven to help menopausal women minimize the risk of metabolic syndrome, a group of health issues that increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. It is thought that nuts may help by improving cholesterol and metabolism. By including these foods in your diet, you can help restore hormonal balance and naturally boost your body's fat-burning capabilities. Remember, variety is key, so try to incorporate a wide range of these foods for the best results. Along with a nutritious diet, it's also essential to stay hydrated and engage in regular exercise to promote overall health during this stage of life. Health risks associated with hormonal imbalance. Ever wondered what chaos hormonal imbalance can unleash on your life if left unchecked? Hormonal imbalance, especially during menopause, can lead to a variety of health risks and complications. These can range from minor discomforts to more severe conditions, affecting both physical and mental well-being. Beyond these, there's an increased risk of more serious health issues. Let's talk about them one by one. For one, there is an increased risk of osteoporosis. Estrogen plays a vital role in maintaining bone density, and an estrogen level decline during menopause, the risk of developing osteoporosis increases. This can lead to weaker bones and an increased risk of fractures. Moreover, hormonal changes can also impact heart health. Estrogen helps keep blood vessels flexible and promotes healthy blood flow. As estrogen levels decrease, women may experience an increased risk for cardiovascular disease and stroke. Therefore, it's important to take preventative measures such as maintaining a healthy diet and exercise routine to support cardiovascular health during menopause. Blood pressure issues are also a concern during this stage. Fluctuations in hormones can cause blood pressure levels to rise, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. This is why regular monitoring of blood pressure is important for women going through menopause. In addition, hormonal imbalances can also lead to an increased risk of endocrine disorders like diabetes, hyperthyroidism, hypothyroidism, and many more. These disorders can have a significant impact on overall health and require proper management to prevent complications. Did you know that even without the endocrine disorders we just talked about, digestive problems are a common health concern for women during menopause? It's true. Hormonal changes can throw your digestive system for a loop, causing annoying problems like constipation, bloating, and indigestion. But here's the good news. Sticking to a healthy and balanced diet can ease these symptoms and kickstart your digestion into high gear. Furthermore, hormonal changes during menopause may also lead to an increased risk of urinary incontinence. Estrogen helps keep the bladder and pelvic muscles strong. So as estrogen levels decrease, women may experience more frequent urination or leakage. This can greatly impact quality of life and requires proper management through exercise and medications. Another important aspect to consider when it comes to menopause is the risk of weight gain and obesity. Due to hormonal changes and a decrease in muscle mass, women may experience weight gain during this time. This can increase the risk of other health issues like heart disease, high blood pressure, and diabetes. It's important for women to maintain a healthy diet and engage in regular physical activity to manage their weight and prevent these health concerns. One more physical effect is hair loss. As estrogen levels decrease, hair may become thinner and more brittle. This can also be compounded by other factors like stress and genetics. It's important for women going through menopause to take care of their hair and scalp with proper nutrition and avoid harsh styling products. In addition to physical changes, menopause can also have an impact on sexual function. Estrogen helps maintain vaginal lubrication and blood flow to the genital area. So as estrogen levels decrease, women may experience symptoms like vaginal dryness, discomfort during intercourse, and a decrease in libido. Proper communication with a partner and exploring different options for lubrication or hormonal treatments can help alleviate these issues. Finally, menopause can also affect mental health. Hormonal imbalances can also affect the mental well-being of a woman. Mental disorders such as depression and anxiety have been linked to hormonal changes during menopause. This is because hormones like estrogen and progesterone also play a role in regulating mood and emotions. As these hormone levels fluctuate, women may experience more intense emotions, leading to an increased risk of mental health issues. It's crucial for women to seek support and practice self-care during this time to maintain their mental health. Now you see, restoring hormonal balance during menopause doesn't just bring back equilibrium to your body, it revitalizes your zest for life. Ready to take the next step? Do you want to see immediate results? Then let's talk about supplements. There are many supplements available in the market that claim to help with menopausal symptoms. However, there are only a few that you can consider. Supplements that have shown promise in managing menopause symptoms include black cohosh, red clover, and maca root. These herbs contain natural compounds that mimic estrogen and can help alleviate hot flashes, night sweats, and mood swings. Vitamin D and calcium supplements may also be beneficial for bone health during menopause. But what supplements, you say? Exploring the benefits of supplements tailored for menopause can lead us to innovative products like Over 30 Hormone Support, O30HS by Gleeful Supplements. Meet your natural hormone hero with Over 30 Hormone Support. Say goodbye to hot flashes, mood swings, and the woes of hormonal imbalances. Dive into the power of nature with our easy-to-swallow capsules, meticulously crafted with ancient herbs in the perfect golden ratio. And if you have more stubborn symptoms in the mix, you can also level up your arsenal and check out this amazing find by the Gleeful team of scientists and researchers, the Over 30 Hormone Support Plus, a breakthrough formula that acts as a booster of Over 30 Hormone Support. Over 30 Hormone Support Plus is like a little natural powerhouse. It's got all these ancient hormone balancing herbs, black cohosh, evening primrose oil, St. John's wort, and dong quai, just packed into an easy-to-swallow capsule. These herbs, known for centuries, are there to help women over 30 keep their hormone balance in check. You can also naturally balance your estrogen levels and take control of PMS, hormonal acne, bloating, and menopause symptoms with Gleeful Supplements Estro-Harmony. Our unique formulations provide the easiest and safest path to relieve cramps, hot flashes, mood swings, low energy, and unwanted weight gain without resorting to medications, experiencing migraines, or suffering nasty side effects. And the best part? No caffeine, fillers, or synthetic stuff in here, just pure goodness. Harness the power of nature and discover how our carefully curated blend of herbs can transform your well-being and lead you to a life of balance and renewal. Say hello to a brighter, more balanced you without the hassle of unwanted complications. Discover the benefits of these supplements by clicking the links below. Your body and mind will thank you. So go on, experience the joy of balance, and let your inner radiance shine through. Don't let hormonal imbalances hold you back any longer. Take charge of your health with Gleeful Supplements Over 30 Hormone Support, Over 30 Hormone Support Plus, and Estro-Harmony. For more insight and to see real-life testimonials from women on how these supplements have revolutionized their health and lives, click the link below. Witness firsthand accounts of transformation and renewal as individuals share their journeys toward hormonal balance and enhanced well-being. Your path to a more vibrant and harmonious life starts here. Don't forget to join our Facebook community to share and learn with like-minded individuals. Our community is a safe and supportive space where you can ask questions, share your experiences, and connect with others on similar journeys. Together, we can break the stigma surrounding women's health and empower one another to live our best lives. Till next time, keep thriving. And remember, your health is your wealth. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. We'd love to hear your thoughts and what you'd like to see next, so drop a comment below.